Hello friends, welcome to my channel. So this is the linear equation question from Math Olympiad. Here we have to find the value of a, and this is the equation, and y is equal to 1 plus a. So let's solve this. Let's write down the equation first. 1 upon 4 into 5y minus 30 minus 7 upon 3a is equal to 0.25, which we can write as 1 upon 4. Now, if you observe the denominators 4, 3 and 4. So, if we want to eliminate these denominators, what we will do? We just multiply by 12. So, we will multiply each term by 12. Okay, just write it down. 12 into 1 upon 4 into 5y minus 30 minus 12 into 7 upon 3a is equal to 12 into 1 upon 4. Okay, so 4 3s are 12, 3 4s are 12, 4 3s are 12. Okay, so 3 into 5, 15y minus 3 into 30 minus 90, 4 into 7, 28a is equal to 3. Now we know the value of y, which is 1 plus a. So 15 into 1 plus a is equal to 90. Subtract minus 90 minus 28a is equal to 3. So let's simplify this. 15 plus 15a minus 90 minus 28a is equal to 3. Okay, so 15 minus 90 minus 75, and 15a minus 28a is minus 13a is equal to 3. Okay, now let's move here. Okay, so minus 13a is equal to 3 plus 75. So this is now simple. 13 minus 13a is equal to 78. A is equal to 78 upon 13. Don't forget the negative sign. So A is equal to minus 6. So option C is your answer. In coming days, I am going to upload such kind of videos on my channel. If you don't want to miss them, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.